Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Arya. I represent a company called as Ambetronics Engineers Private Limited. We are manufacturers of gas detection, flame detection system. As I was here into the event and had heard the eminent speakers, the Dias Forum, speaking about the infrastructure that we are looking forward to and growing tremendously. I guess safety for that particular infrastructure also becomes very important when we are moving at such a rapid growth. So that is wherein we come into picture. So a little bit about Ambetronics. We are based out in Mumbai. We have our manufacturing unit. We have a 33 rich years of experience in gas and flame detection system. Our company was incorporated in the year of 1992. And when I speak about Ambetronics, we look forward to the vision and mission of inspiring the world that with our innovation technologies, what we can bring in, the design, the products that we can bring in, and be a part of the social prosperity by creating a new future and a safer future. We have a mission that we look forward to providing all the products that are there at a better safety quality and providing a better solution. Moving forward, this is a bit about our company's presence. We have around 20,000 square feet of area. We have around 250-300 people working across India at different locations. We have 16 on-site support solution offices across India. We provide a 24/7 support, online support, any problem, any support you need with respect to gas detection system. It's not just about Ambetronics, but any sort of gas detection system. We have well-trained, well-educated support service staff who can help you out with your problems. Just a little bit about the infrastructure and the premises that we have. Moving forward with the solutions that we have solutions for gas detection system, for flame detection system, for analyzers. We do a lot of things into industrial IoT and also as well as control and automation systems. These are some of the innovations in gas and flame detection system that we have recently come up with. This was the new launch of the year that we had previously. This is a Mercaptan detector that we have installed at Gail Gandhar and has been working very promisingly and has been giving them results. Moving forward, it's only one of a kind in the hydrogen-based flame detection system. We have all the certifications, all the devices have whatever is needed, UL, ATEX, ICX, HRD communication, SEAL 2 certifications, everything. A small implementation, if we could play the video, that would be great. A video can be played. This is a flame detector that we had installed at one of the Ministry of Defenses. It's a very ultra-fast flame detector that we have installed. Flame was identified, detected, and was extinguished as it was spontaneous. Moving ahead, some of the wireless solutions that we have for gas detection systems. We have also developed an IoT application on which you can have multiple detectors data without being present at that particular point or at that particular location and have that. Some of the fixed type of detectors that we have 3-wire, 4-wire detectors, we have 2-wire loop powered detectors. The one that you are seeing on your right, it's a all-in-one solution that we provide, wherein we are at the side, we need a junction box, we need a hooter cum flasher for local alarm indication, we need a gas detector. There are multiple different devices that are to be integrated. But instead of doing that, you can get it clubbed into one single unit, and it's an all-in-one gas solution system that we have. Moving forward, we also provide solutions for multi-gas detectors, for solutions for locations where there is a requirement of more than one gases to be detected, and also we have hydrocarbon detectors in IR technology which can detect hydrocarbon as small as up to of ppm level. We also, as I was talking about the biogas analyzers, the analyzer section, we have developed biogas analyzers with dew point into it. Also we have portable biogas analyzers. This is something that we do. The new arrival that we are looking forward to is a multi-sampling, so wherein you can have multiple samples coming out at your from your plant and can be sampled and can give you the analysis of the biogas that is there. The first one of a kind infrared bench that we have developed, designed in-house completely. It is used for the hydrocarbon detection that I was talking about in ppm range. Some more graphical data, how we showcase. This is the flame detector. It's a UV and IR based flame detector that we have. It works on Bluetooth connectivity, gives you an ultra fast immediate response at any flame that is there. Also just a small view. This particular device with respect to the city gas distribution, that is what we have achieved recently, and it's a battery operated wireless gas detector which are very important at your DRS locations, wherein for all the remote locations wherein you need leak detection is very important, and at the very same time you need to get the data back at your central control room. This is the device. It's a completely battery operated device having a year's life of battery on a single charge. You can just plug it in, you just need to mount it on your DRS systems and it is good to go. Moving forward is just a small illustration of how the battery operated device works. Multiple devices connected into your field using GSM based technology can be wirelessly communicated to your central control system, which can further push in data to your cloud IoT systems or your central system that wherever you want. A small residential gas leak detector that we have come up for B2B marketplaces and as well as for B2C custom consumers, as we are moving forward with the consumers wherein gas meters installation, a lot of CGD pipeline is being laid. So that is wherein we can have these detectors installed at each household, giving them some sort of conformity if there is any leakage happening at their household or not. Some of the features for the same. These are some of the installation commissioning sites that we had recently done. This is a biogas analyzer that was installed at the APMC Surat. So what makes us stand out of the crowd is that we are into this particular industry from past 33 years, providing solutions at par with the technologies that are available there. We also manufacture our own sensors, so it's just not that we integrate something and just give it to you. We have in-depth knowledge of each and every component, each and everything that we are using for our gas detection system. We provide on-site, off-site support, and it's just not about the support, but rather about the technical knowledge we have, and we are ready to share with the industry experts and providing solution that can put us towards a safer environment and safer industry. Just off the topic discussion. These are some of the awards and recognitions that we have. Some of our clients. These are all the certifications that we have. Each and every certification, everything is on the name of Ambetronics, and we have all the credentials that are available. We also have our R&D lab that wherein we manufacture, design, develop our devices, certified by DSIR. A little bit out of the topic, that when we talk about safety, we just do not promote products, but also rather give knowledge about the detection system, how it came into the picture, why is it crucial, what are the steps that needs to be taken for the detection. Thank you so much.